Now, one of the questions that came up was, what happens if I do all point-based modeling? So if you remember at the beginning of this, I pointed out that my rocker has all coordinate points. So if you did your model and you have coordinate points, they obviously are not linked to any features. So, the first thing that you can do easily would be to project these points onto that surface. So you would do that with your feature point creation dialog box. Select your points. Select your feature. Move points and project it on feature. If you don't click move points, you'll create another set of points that will be feature points linked to the surface and coordinate points at the same location. So now you can see those points converted into feature points, and I still have coordinate points over here. Now when I deviate, you can see those points are moving with the surface, both form and location. These points are still coordinate points and they are not linked to the surface. However, you don't have to link them to the surface if you don't want to. I'm going to go into this profile tolerance. And under my feature list here, you can see it's got those two surfaces. I'm just going to go ahead and say add, and I'm going to pick these points manually. Now you can see my feature list has got features and points. I'll say OK. Now you can see those points are moving with that surface. So, as I always tell everybody, that our software is point-based and feature-based. This is my example of trying to show you. So when I do my modeling, I try to stay all feature-based first. If I can't simulate what I want, then I will go to feature points. If I still can't simulate what I want, then I will go to coordinate points.